What's happening, guys? Another good DT we had. Picked it up around this doji candle and posted in the chat saying that this should bounce over here. If bulls don't hold that 256, they will be in trouble because right now it broke. Old support becomes new resistance. It'll probably try to bounce, but the 256 becomes resistance and most likely will fail. Right now, this is again a quick DT, and we are in profit, 16%. Beautiful. So I don't want to be too greedy because we are in a very volatile market where news, they're trying to pump the brakes, and basically news will come in any minute and they will, so 254 could now act as support. $254 is trying to hold. Let's see what we have. When you see Trump tweeting a lot, that means that they're trying to pump the brakes. He's arguing and fighting somebody in there, I'm sure. The volume is increasing. So you see the volume here above average. We know that it could be, there you go, volume above average, selling volume above average, the red, and that's not good. Better hold that 254. Again, as I said earlier, I think it'll bounce back to around this zone and reject. This is the time to cash out. Sell some, take some profit, or ride it out. And there you have it, folks. It's moving exactly as we predicted. 2 minutes into it, and they're buying. As we said, this was holding support here. Could try to flirt with the 256. Most likely fail. Stop loss would be above 256 on volume. I don't think it'll go V, but most likely around 258. But again, the theory right now that I'm sticking to is 256. I'm securing some profits as we go, and good luck. As we discussed, there is a big fight going on now. Bulls and bears. Old resistance, old support becomes new resistance. They're fighting for this 256 level. As I said, I believe it'll flirt around here and it'll reject. If anything, we have a stop loss above this with volume. It could retest the 258. Right now they are pumping and news and all that coming out, so that means they're trying to apply the brakes. So just be careful and trade accordingly. I added a few contracts to my position and will exit upon the plan. Okay, moving exactly as predicted, as discussed. Now 254 becomes the new resistance. Don't be greedy. Secure some profits. As we go, they're trying to pump the brakes, as I said, with a bunch of news. Trump tweeting. You know that he's getting nervous when that happens. Beautiful pattern break, as discussed in the chat. And congrats if you're still writing this pick with me. Target achieved, 252. Looking good. So right now we are at 23% on our position. I will be securing some profits here. 250, there's kind of a weak support. It's looking really, really good. So congratulations to us. I'll take some profits here. Second target met, 250. I'm taking some profits here. And I expect a bounce to the 252. Try. If they don't pump any news, this will drop again. Anyways, I'm securing profits just to make sure. And I will likely load around this area with a stop loss above the 252 on good volume. Quick scalp after taking profit down here. It went all the way up. As you can see, this gray area is acting as resistance. I added a position here, expecting another bounce. Of course, watching news as they are trying to pump the market back again. Stay tuned. So far, it's looking pretty good. And 250 is the next target, again with a stop loss above 252 on volume.